Hello everyone, once again present in front of you with my new video of JEE Mains 2025 online shifts. So today we are going to discuss the 28th January morning shift paper. This paper was good paper. 20 questions were of very basic level, means you can say that of NCERT level, and anyone could have solved these questions just by paying attention. So only 3 to 4 questions were there which you needed something to do extra apart from the NCERT. So let us start with the very first question. The incorrect decreasing order of atomic radii is, okay, silicon, phosphorus, chlorine, fluorine. In this type of question, you need to check all the 4 options because you will not find the right answer. So second option is magnesium, aluminum, carbon, oxygen, okay, aluminium, boron, nitrogen, fluorine, beryllium, magnesium, aluminum and silicon. If you notice something special, that beryllium and magnesium, it should not be like this. It should be beryllium is less than magnesium. Okay. So here the problem is there. Means I have got D as my right option, I guess. Yes. I got D as my right option. So first question is right answer. Moving to the next question. What is the freezing point depression of a solvent 50 gram of which contains 1 gram non-volatile solute? Decrease in freezing point is 0.040. Okay, generally freezing point we have learned two values, 5.12 and 1.86. So C or D may be our answer. Let us solve it. Now we know delta TF is equal to KFM. We need to find KF. So KF is equal to delta TF upon M, right? Freezing point, is it? Yes, it is freezing point. Okay, so that means what is delta TF? Delta TF is 0.4 upon 1 gram non-volatile solute. Okay, 1 upon 256 divided by 50 into 10 to the power minus 3. So I am using calculator. Let me solve this value 1 by 26. Okay, this. So it is approximately coming to 5.1. Okay, we will take 5.12. See, so this value matches the value that we needed. So C may be my, yes, C is my right option. So moving to the next question, my kids. D-glucose pentacetate reacts with 2,4-dinitrophenylhydrazine. This is a wrong statement if anyone remembers. Pentacetate, it is not like that. D-glucose reacts with phenylhydrazine. That means, what is the meaning of this thing? This means it is a false statement. Starch on heating with concentrated sulfuric acid at 100 degrees Celsius and 2 to 3 atmospheric pressure produces glucose. It is true statement. We know how alcohols are made. So first one is false, second one is true. Statement 1 is false and statement 2 is true. 1 is false, 2 is true. Yes, we got this answer again right. So these are the tricks or concepts, mixture of both things that we can utilize to solve the questions. Next question is, a weak acid HA has degree of distillation X. Which option gives the correct expression of pH minus pKa? Okay, weak acid. Weak acid means whenever it is weak acid in your mind, it should be like HA gives H plus A minus. Suppose initial concentration is my A, 1. So it will be 1 minus X into A. It should be AX. It should be AX, right? So Ka is equal to A square X square A into 1 minus X. So it will become, ignoring this A, X upon, okay, let us do not take A, then it will be a problem for us. Initial concentration as 1. Let us take initial concentration as 1. X square upon 1 minus X. Okay. So it will be 1 minus x. Ka is 1 minus x. Now if I take log here, it will be minus of log Ka is equal to minus of log of x minus. Okay, we cannot solve this question like this. We have to use something else. Let us try this question again. It will not give us the answer. Let us start it again. We have HA, it is H plus A minus, it will be A 0 0, A into 1 minus x, it will become AX, it will become AX. So what if I write Ka is equal to AX into AX upon A into 1 minus x, A and A cancel. Okay, yes, now what I can do, I can do one thing. I can write it Ka is equal to Ax into x upon 1 minus x. Why I am writing it like this? Because the concentration of H plus is Ax. So if I take log, negative log on both sides, it will become negative log of Ka is equal to negative log of Ax, negative log of x upon 1 minus x. So negative log of Ka will become pKa is equal to pH. Why? I told you earlier, Ax is equal to H plus pH and minus log of x upon 1 minus x. Now what relationship we have to find? pH minus pKa. Okay, the question is done. So it will become pH minus pKa is equal to log of x upon 1 minus x. I got this answer. So here it is. No, not D is my answer, if I am not wrong. Okay, once again we can solve this question. Let us try once again, because this question was of something good level. Okay, I have got this weak acid HA gives H plus A minus. So initial concentration is A 0 0. A into 1 minus x, it is Ax, it is Ax. So Ka is equal to Ax into Ax upon x into 1 minus x. Sorry, A into 1 minus x, A and A cancel. So negative log of Ka is equal to negative log of x, Ax into minus negative log of x upon 1 minus x. So it will become pKa pH minus log of x upon 1 minus x. So that means it will become pH minus pK is equal to log of x upon 1 minus x. Yes, we got this answer. D is my right answer. Yes, so we have solved this question as well. So this question was of some level. It was not that much difficult, but we got confused in this question. That's why this happened. So moving to the next question. Question number 5. Chemical kinetics. So 2025 mains 28th January, A naught upon ml per mole, T half upon minutes. So 0.100, 200, 0.025 and 100 for a given reaction R to P. T half is related to A naught as given in table. Log 2 is this one. Okay, which of the following is true? The order of the reaction is 1 by 2. Okay, first of all let us check the order of the reaction. So for checking the order of the reaction, there is a relationship T half is equal to 1 upon A naught n minus 1. If I take the ratio of both T halves, because two T halves are given, it will be okay, we will solve this on smartboard. It is easy to pick the values then. Okay, so T half is equal to 1 upon A naught n minus 1. So if I take the ratios of both T halves, it will be 0.025. The other one is, I guess, 100 upon 100 is equal to 200 upon 100. raised to power here raised to power n minus 1. So it will become 0.025 upon 0.100 is equal to 2 raised to power n minus 1. That means 2 is equal to 1 by 4 raised to power n minus 1. I can write this equation as 1 by 2 raised to power 2 is equal to 1 by 4. That means n is equal to 1 by 2. Means A is true for me. A is true for me. Yes. A is true. A is true. Let us check the options A, C, A, B, D, A, B, C, D. So why don't we check D only? Because A and B are also correct. A and B are also here. A and C, C and D. So A is in 3 options. A is our correct. Means D is already gone. So let us check B, C or D. What is D? T half is 800. Okay, let us check D. D. So D becomes 200 upon T half is equal to 0.1 upon 1.6 raised to power 1 by 2. So 1.6 into 2. So it will be 200 is equal to T half into 0.4. So it will become 800. T half is 800. Means A is correct. We got 800, na? Yes, we got 800. That means A is true and D is true. So what are the options in which A and D is there? I don't know how to solve this thing. Let us suppose I don't know how to solve this thing, but this we can easily calculate because the concentration is changing and T half is independent of the concentration. Okay, so A and D are true. Check A and D. Where is A and D? In this option. B I need not to solve because there is no other option in which A and D is coming. So only one option where A and D are coming, that we have solved here. So this was also a good question. This level of JEE must have been maintained. Next, a molecule on treatment with acid undergoes rearrangement and gives on ozonolysis, followed by reflex under alkaline conditions gives R. The structure of R is given below. Okay, we got ketone. Okay, A may be our option. B is not giving us ketone because it is alcohol, right? Not our option. C will give us 2 ketones, but we need only 1 ketone. And D may be our answer. Let us start from D. So, okay, on the smartboard we will do it. Only on the smartboard we solve it. So we have got OH. So when dehydration occurs, the carbocation will be formed here. This carbocation will undergo rearrangement. 5-membered with a positive charge will give us a 6-membered ring, right? This then will be converted to, now let us do the ozonolysis. So what we will get? We will get CH3, C double bond O, then 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, then again C double bond O and CH3. Now this hydrogen must attack on this oxygen, alpha hydrogen. So what we are getting? We are getting a CH3, C double bond O. Then this carbon will form a bond here. Sorry, the opposite of this. This will form a bond here. So it will be C double bond O, then C, then C, then C, then C. C double bond O, sorry, not double bond O, it will become COH, OH and CH3. So it will give us It will give us something like this: C double bond O, CH3, and here is the double bond and then CH3. Why? Because this OH and hydrogen, this will give you elimination. So double bond is formed there. So definitely D is our option. D is our option. So if D gives the product, A is again definitely A will be giving you the product. Why? Because here we have ozonolysis. Do the ozonolysis directly. So we can get a ketone. Double bond O, right? And then if you attack this alpha hydrogen, you will again get a pi bond here, means the ancestor. That means A, I'm not sure, but D is my answer. I will go with D. I will go with D. Yes, D is my correct answer. So definitely D has undergone the same process that we have discussed in this question. So moving to the next question, let us start this question. The molecule having square pyramidal geometry are BRF5, PCl5. PCl5, if you remember, PCl5 gives you trigonal bipyramidal, means it is not my option. PCl5 is not my option. BRF5. BRF5 means BR means 7. 7 means 7 valence electron, means 5 are bond pair, 1 lone pair. This is okay. This is okay. Means C is my option. Okay. So let us go with C. Yes, we got this answer. Right answer. So next is ice and water are placed in a closed container at a pressure of 180 m and temperature 273.15. If pressure of the system is increased 2 times, keeping temperature constant, then identify correct observation from the following. Okay, when this happens at constant pressure, okay, at constant temperature, pressure is inversely proportional to volume. So that means liquid phase disappears completely. No, this is not my option. Why? I always gives a hint to my students. What is that? I tell them that at high altitude, like at high Himalayan peaks, the ice is always present there. Okay, ice is always present there because the pressure at high altitude, atmospheric pressure is very low. But if you keep that ice at room temperature, at the earth level or the sea level, it melts immediately. That means with increase in pressure, ice is melting. So we'll go with the C. That's why I have taken it before describing. So we have got this answer as right answer once again. So moving to the question number 21, the integer type question. Let us close this. Where is this? Okay. The formation enthalpies of HF for HO are this one. Okay, and HF for H2O is this one at the same temperature. Average bond enthalpy. Okay. Average bond enthalpy. What is the structure of H2O? HOH means 2OH. We have to find the bond enthalpy of 1. Okay. So what we have got? We have got 2H2 plus O2 gives 2H2O. Now what is the value of 2H2? It is 2 into 220 plus 250 minus of 242. So it will be 440, 250, 242, 2, 4, 4, 8, 8 plus 5, 13, 1, 4, 4, 8, 9, 932. So delta H of 2OH is 932 and delta H of OH is equal to 932 by 2. So it will be 92, 2 to the 93 means 46, 466 is my answer. Let us check it. 466. Yes, we got this answer as right answer. Why we have done this thing? Because delta H formation is equal to HR minus HP. Now the reactant values are positive. 220 into 2 plus 250. The delta H of formation is minus 242. So it will be minus 242 is equal to this one minus HP or the water molecule minus 2 into HP. So rearrange these two values, you will get the same thing. So this is what we have done here. So next question, consider the following sequence of reactions. Okay, this is my Hoffman bromoamide degradation reaction, and in this case if benzene is here, definitely I am getting aniline if I am not wrong. Okay, if I am not wrong, definitely I am getting aniline, so will not go for this, directly I will get this. Now what is the question? Consider the following sequence of reaction. 11.25 milligram of chlorobenzene will produce dash into this product B. What is the molecular mass of B? Use stoichiometry. So it is having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 72 plus 5 plus 14 plus 2. So it will be 72 plus 14, 86. 86 plus 7, 93. Okay, we are done. What is the molecular mass of chlorobenzene? It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 72, 35.5 plus 5. So it is 5, 5, 10.2. Okay, 112.5 reacts with 93. So 1.25 reacts with X, that means 9.3 grams. Directly you can calculate. So into 1 means it will be 9.3. I can write it 93 into 10 to the power minus 1. That means my right answer is 93. I will go with 93. Let us check. Yes, got this answer right. So whole reaction is mentioned here. So using stoichiometry and simple reaction mechanisms, you can save time. You should know that what is happening here. The molarity of 70% aqueous solution of monobasic acid is this. Density is given. Now this is the easiest question in this shift. So molarity is equal to 10xd upon mb. 10 into x is 70, d is 1.25 upon molecular mass is 70. Cancel 70 with 70, so it will be 12.5. So how to write this answer? Into 10 to the power 1 means 125 is my right answer. Let us check this answer. 125. This integer type question might not have taken much time. Correct answer. 125 is my correct answer. So moving to the next question. Given below is the plot of molar conductivity versus concentration for KCl in aqueous solution. Okay, 150, 100. If for the higher concentration of KCl the resistance of conductivity cell is 100 ohm, then the resistance of the same cell with the dilute solution is X ohm. The value of X is, we need to find the value of X. Okay. So from this plot we are provided with lambda m and this thing. Okay, I can write one thing. Lambda m is equal to kappa into 1000 upon C. So 0.15 into 0.15 it will give you, because it is under root C. So for finding under root C, how I can convert it into C? Squaring this thing. So I can do 0.15 into 0.15 is 15 square to 25. So I can write it kappa into 1000 upon 0.0225 if I am not wrong. Okay. Also, okay, let us solve this on smartboard. It is a lengthy question. Let us go to smartboard. Okay. So lambda m is kappa into 1000 upon C. So lambda m is given 100 is equal to kappa into 1000 upon 0.0225, right? So that means kappa is equal to 0.0225 upon 10 is equal to 1 upon R into L upon A. The resistance given is 100. So 100 means upon 10, that means it will be 0.0225 upon 10 into 100. Okay, so it will become equal to 0.0225. This is the first portion, means I have got kappa as 0.225, not 0.225, not kappa. Wait. It is It is L upon A. L upon A is equal to 0.225. Now, for the second concentration, 150. Higher means 150. So, for 150, again, lambda m is equal to kappa into 1000 upon C. That means 150 is equal to kappa into 1000 upon the other one was 0.1. That means kappa is equal to 0.15 upon 100. Now kappa, I can write 1 upon R into L upon A is equal to 0.15 upon 100 is equal to 1 upon R into 0.225, comparing these two. So R is equal to 225 upon 0.15, that is equal to approximately 150 ohms. So distance for the other one is 150. We have to check this answer. 150, let us put this value here. We will see it is right or wrong. I have got this thing only. Yes, guys, we have got the right answer, 150 ohms. Okay. So here I don't know what they have done. So next question, quantitative analysis of an organic compound shows percentage composition carbon, chlorine, hydrogen. Okay, I don't think it is 100%. 64.6, 14.5 and 1.8. It is 19.08. Oh, 100 minus 80.90 means 19.1% is something else. And what is that? Molar mass of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. Okay, we got everything now. Oxygen is 16. We have solved this question. Let us do it on smartboard. Now from the question, carbon 14.5, chlorine 64.6. Carbon is to hydrogen is to chlorine is to oxygen. Carbon is 14.5, chlorine is 64.6, oxygen is 19.1. What is the percentage of hydrogen? It is 1.8. Okay, now we will solve. By 12, by 1, by 35.5, by 16. It is 19. So 14.5 upon 12, approximately 15 upon 12. It will be equal to 1.2. Approximately, it is my rough value. It is 1.8. 19 upon 16 means 20. 16 ones are 16. 39. 16 twos are 32. 1.2. 35 ones are 35. 39. 1.8. So let us divide it by the smallest value. So it will be 1, 1.5, 1.5, 1. So rounding off by multiplying with 2, 2, 3, 3, 2. So the formula will become C3, H3, Cl3, O2. So what we have to find? Empirical formula mass we have to find. Empirical formula mass. So it will become C3 means 36 plus 3 plus 35, 106.5 plus 32. So it will be 6 is 12, 12 to 14, 12, 12 to 14, 14 plus 3, 16, 15. Okay, we will solve here. On this next slide we will solve. So it is C2, H3, Cl3, O2. So 24 plus 3 plus 106.5 plus 32. So it will become 4 plus 6, 10 plus 2, 15, 5, 6, 1.5. So 165.5. How we have to write? 10 raised power minus 2. So 165.5 I can write it as 1655. So my answer will be 1655. Let us solve this answer. So 1655 is my right answer. So this is how we have solved the second shift also, right? So guys, in this paper, 20 questions were very easy. Means 80 anyone would have scored. 80 was the easiest score. Anyone would have scored. Uh, 4 questions were of that level, tricky questions. Means the NTA played with the mind of the students. So in the next video, we will be present. I will be present with the 28th January evening shift question paper. So once again, thank you very much for watching this video. Please share, like and subscribe my channel. Share with your friends. Make this channel to maximum reach so that it would encourage me and I will make more videos for you. Thank you very much, kids. See you soon with the next video, 28th January evening shift. Thank you very much.